Hi guys, so today we are going to tone and slim our arms without any equipment. With just our hand, we're gonna do some variation of push-up, but fear not, the push-up is suitable for beginners also. So let's go. The first move, we are going to lean back with the help of our hand. And don't forget, when you go down, do not flare up the elbows. Keep your elbows to the back. Do not open them as you go down. Next, we are going to do some push-up, but on the knee. Same principle. Do not flare up your elbows as you go down and go up. Exhale when you're on the way to the top. Move your body as a unison. Do not strain your neck. Keep your chest upright. And if this is too difficult for you, you can just do this. Everyone is different, so do your best at your level. Next, we are going to lie down on our side and we're gonna use our triceps to help us get up. Other hands on the side of our belly. And use the arm and the tricep to help you get up. Do not use momentum and don't forget to exhale on your way up. Next, we are going to even it out on the other side. So the upper arm is going to help us get up and the other arm rests on our waist.
I said
on to the next move. Now we are going to be in the plank position and then we are going to tap our shoulder. Here's the key. Do not twist your body so much. Use your core, use your shoulder to help you stay in the plank position. Next, we are going to do up and down planks. So down, right, left, up, right, left. Again, use your strength. Do not throw away your bodies. Do not twist so much, but use that arms and tighten those core. And we are going to switch in the middle first. Left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right. Great job. Next, we are going to do some knee push-up again, but right and close, left and close. So this is going to train our tricep and also chest. Open to the side, down, push, open to the side, down, push. Do not flare up your elbows, guys. Let's go. Next, we are going to do some push-up again, but with one leg. So push to the front. If this is too difficult for you, you can just put both of knees down. Same principle. Do not flare up or flare out your elbows. Keep it on the side. Good job.
Born with the knowledge of a horde of a lion, they're gonna have a hard time to define the finest. Born with the knowledge of a horde of a lion, they're gonna have a hard time to define it.
Next, other leg up and do the same tricep push-ups. This is hard, you guys. If this is too difficult for you, you can swap this movement with ordinary knee push-ups. Let's go to the front. Up. Don't forget to exhale on your way up.
With the knowledge of a horde of a lion, they're gonna have a hard time to define the finest.
Next, we are going to burn our shoulders, arms, and of course our core in this downward dog pose. Lengthen your spine all the way from your fingertips towards your tailbone, creating the triangle shape. If you are not flexible enough, you can just raise your calf for less intensity on the flexibility. Stay here, tighten those cores. Great job. Now we are still in the downward dog position, but we are going to do some push-up here. This is a little bit different. You can flare your elbows a little bit and use that strength, that shoulder strength, to guide you down, up, down, up. Again, if this is too difficult for you, you can swap this movement with just ordinary push-ups. A little bit more, guys. Great job, everyone. Awesome job, you guys. Congratulations, we are done. Now do some cooling down stretch on the side. On the other side. If you need some arm workout or any workout, you can just click on my other videos. But if you're done here, do some cooling down first. Roll your shoulders. Stretch here. Other side. You can also repeat this cooling down if you need. And down and up. Beautiful arms. Do not strain your neck. And do some child's pose. Push from your fingertips, palms towards your spine. Elongate your spine. And breathe. So thank you very much for doing this with me. See you guys on my next video.